Hi, I'm Randy. This is my wife Anna, and we're first-time homebuyers. We knew the neighborhood that we wanted to live in. We ended up putting a bid in on a house, and just like a lot of other people, we lost out on it. We were probably one of, I think, 20 offers on a house. In connecting with Bethany, we described the desire to live in this neighborhood. She knew that. And so what ended up happening is, based on her idea, we wrote up a letter describing what we were kind of looking for. And Bethany and her team, in the middle of winter, went and knocked on a bunch of doors looking to find someone who's willing to sell. As Bethany and her team were driving away, they got a phone call, and there was an agent who had a property in this neighborhood, and they were willing to sell to us off market.
That essentially gave us the opportunity to not compete with 20 other people.
Our house is over 100 years old, so there's a lot of character and a lot of charm, but we wanted to kind of bring it up to more of our design preference.
I was very daunted initially by the idea of doing work to our home. You always watch renovation shows and you see how everything goes over budget, so I was very, very nervous. But having Bethany by our side every step of the way, having her recommendations gave me so much confidence.
That saved us all the time and guesswork of trying to find a vendor and get references and see examples of work. We already had people lined up, and it was exactly what we needed in order to make the house feel like a home.
To be in this home is to literally sit inside a miracle that was not even for sale, that Bethany and her team played a huge role in making happen. And there is not a day that goes by that I don't feel blessed to have had the right agents on our team fighting for us, door knocking, until we got this beautiful home.